Thank you for calling Kids Gap in Brea. This is Samantha. How may I help you?
Hi, Samantha. Are you guys open?
Yes, we are.
Oh, super. We're right down a few shops down. I'm just ordering pumpkin spice latte right now.
Perfect. We'll see you in a minute.
Have your guys' spring line come out?
Yes, it has.
Your guys' fall line was spectacular, so I'm really looking forward to the spring line.
Spring is super cute.
I'm going to Instagram that, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Vine. I absolutely love it. I have 3 children myself that I've adopted. One's Cambodian, one's Moroccan, one's from Uruguay.
Oh, how exciting.
Yeah. So they're super excited to come down there and try out your new spring line.
Awesome.
What's the in color?
So right now there's a lot of like purples and teals.
Snapchat.
Yes, it's super cute. And they have a lot of cute little rompers and dresses that go with the whole, the new look.
Instagram.
Awesome. We'll see you in a little bit after you get your latte.
I'm going to be Facebooking all day long. My children and your beautiful, beautiful spring line. I know it's going to be just fantastic.
Super. I'm excited. Can't wait till you get here.
Snapchat.
Bye. Thank you for calling Kids Gap in Brea. This is Samantha. How may I help you?
Hi, Samantha. I just called there a few moments ago.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
One of my little ones got away.
Oh, no.
I was so busy updating my social status.
Did you try mall security?
I have not yet.
Maybe you should try that first.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you for calling Kids Gap in Brea. This is Samantha. How may I help you?
Hi, Samantha. I just called there.
Oh, hello.
We found him.
Okay, good.
I found him on Facebook.
Oh, my gosh.
He's just 4 years old, and he's crossing that main street all by himself.
So maybe you should run in that direction then.
I just told him, stay with me on your social media. It's a good thing he has the latest iPhone 6.
Well, I wish you the best luck, and we will see you in a little bit.